Hello friends, welcome to our Facebook page. This is a beautiful picture of a princess. The fascination about royalty has created a huge demand for a tutorial on how to draw a princess. Let your imagination wander and unleash your creativity. Using only 4 colors, this art has been made so beautiful. The princess dress is made from white and pink colors. The long and attractive hair of the princess is represented by brown color. The crown on the head of the princess is done with yellow color. Her eyelashes have been created by a curved line to make the princess look as eyes are closed. The cartoon is drawn very simple, as you can see. Just by giving some shape to some lines, this beautiful cartoon has been made, in which it is looking very beautiful and attractive. Its cheeks have been turned pink to make them look more adorable. To show it a little emotional, a little white color has also been filled in its eyes. As you can see, this is a drawing or picture of a princess. Encourage them to add lots of fancy extras like more flowers on the dress, jewelry on her neck and more diamonds on her crown. The princess's hair has been made extremely long. The princess dress is made long and wide. To make the princess appear like a princess, a crown has been put on her head. This cartoon is not colorful. We can make it very beautiful and adorable by adding our favorite color to it. This cartoon is looking very beautiful. The cartoon is made using only 4 colors: white, light blue, orange, and brown, as you can see. Drawing also increases self-confidence. Orange color and light blue color have been used to make the cloth of this cartoon. The shoes have been done with orange color to make them stand out. Brown color has been used to show the hair. This is the side view of the cartoon, which looks very attractive. A child can make it very easily. This is a very beautiful cartoon. The name of this cartoon is Pikachu, as you can see. It develops fine motor skills. Very few colors have been used in making this cartoon. Like yellow, red, pink, black, and white, these few colors have increased the look of this cartoon so much. What is looking so attractive, as you can see, his eyes have been filled with white color to show the sparkle. The red color has been filled to make the cheeks look even more beautiful. A child can be very happy by drawing and coloring these beautiful cartoons. This is an adorable and cute video in which a doll or a princess is made, as you can see. This tutorial is made for young artists that like to draw the classic big hair, puffy dress, and tiara, of course. Only 3 colors have been used: pink, orange, and yellow. This princess has a crown made on her head which is yellow in color. Her cheeks have been pink to make the princess look happy or blushing, and her eyes have been made by the curved line. The dress of this princess was made in pink color, which is looking very beautiful and attractive. The cartoon drawing is made very beautiful, as you can see. In this, a cartoon of a little girl has been made. Feel free to mix and match colors to customize your artwork and make it unique. Who is wearing a yellow dress, whose shoes are of pink color and scarf is also of pink color. Hair is depicted in brown color. The body of this doll is painted in a cream color. A light pink color has been used to make the cheeks look attractive. The doll is holding a bag in her hand, which is brown in color. Thanks for watching our video. Watch our other drawing videos to make fun drawing. Thanks, and see you again soon.